Hi everyone, welcome back to Ashley's Kitchen. Today we are making a super simple but really comforting dish, spinach with pork sauce. Just look at it, fresh green spinach, topped with a rich savory pork sauce. It smells amazing and it's the kind of dish that makes you instantly hungry. Alright, let's get started. First, I've got a bunch of spinach. Give it a good wash. Then chop it into bite-sized pieces so it's easier to eat. This is some minced pork belly. For aromatics, prepare a bit of chopped scallions and minced garlic. Okay, prep is done. Let's cook. Bring a wok of water to a boil. Add a teaspoon of salt and a tablespoon of oil. Then blanch the spinach. Once the water comes back up to a boil, squeeze it out right away. Drain it really well. Then lay it neatly on a serving plate. Now for the sauce, heat some oil in the wok and add the pork. Keep stirring and let it cook down until some of that fat renders out. Then add a tablespoon of yellow bean paste and fry it until fragrant. Splash in 2 tablespoons of cooking wine, a tablespoon of light soy sauce, and just half a tablespoon of dark soy sauce for color. Pour in about 200 milliliters of water. Then season with 2 teaspoons of MSG and a teaspoon of sugar. Stir everything together. Now add in some chopped scallions and minced garlic. Let it sizzle and release that aroma. Right before finishing, drizzle a tablespoon of cooking oil. Toss it all together, and that's it. The sauce is ready. Pour this hot savory pork sauce right over the spinach. Oh man, it smells incredible. I'm starving already. Let me grab a bite. The pork sauce is so fragrant and the spinach is so tender and fresh. If you don't feel like eating rice, you can totally toss this sauce with some noodles too. And it's just as amazing. Super easy, super tasty. You've got to give this one a try at home. Thanks for watching. See you next time.